Good evening, folks. Welcome to the beautiful Harbourfront Theatre. How we doing tonight? We're going to sing you a few songs tonight, folks, that are from the new Fiddlers Son CD, Love Don't Be By. Let me start off with one that was written by a young fella from Trackety, Prince Edward Island, Shane Pendergast. This one is called Tea and Tunes. Well, we're heading down to Luke's place where the tea is always hot, and lugging our guitars to his warm and welcome spot. We'll sit around the table, we'll take our songs with glee. If you wanna keep me satisfied, just give me tunes and tea. Tunes and tea, tea and tunes. Play guitar or play the spoons. We're jigging and swinging and singing and swinging tonight. Tea and tunes, tunes and tea, that's a life I like for me. With tea and tunes, you're bound to feel alright. Now in the summertime, the Gaelies out from hibernation come, with guitars, flutes and fiddles and the old accordion. The people come from all around to hear and laugh and see us funny-looking fellows playing tunes and drinking tea. Tunes and tea, tea and tunes. Play guitar or play the spoons. We're jigging and swinging and singing and swinging tonight. Tea and tunes, tunes and tea, that's a life I like for me. With tea and tunes, you're bound to be alright. It's a mighty fine tradition when the tunes begin to flow. Reminds us of our ancestors who wrote them long ago. I've been thinking of the future, I wonder where we'll be. I hope we'll all be playing tunes and drinking lots of tea. Tunes and tea, tea and tunes. Play guitar or play the spoons. We're jigging and swinging and singing and swinging tonight. Tea and tunes, tunes and tea, that's a life I like for me. With tea and tunes, you're bound to feel alright. Clap your hands. Tunes and tea, tea and tunes. Play guitar or play the spoons. We're jigging and swinging and singing and swinging tonight. Tea and tunes, tunes and tea, that's a life I like for me. With tea and tunes, you're bound to feel alright. One more time. Tunes and tea, tea and tunes. We're jigging and swinging and singing and swinging tonight. Tea and tunes, tunes and tea, that's a life I like for me. With tea and tunes, you're bound